Hey instructors, so I wanted to briefly go over how you'll utilize the wireless mic if you decide to use it. You don't need to, but it does enhance the sound quality. So if you're using the iPad, this is how you're going to use it. I have not tried it with the computer, so you might need to figure that out as you go if you're using a computer. I will say though, if you are using a computer, the sound quality and the ability to pick up your voice is better, so you should be okay not needing a wireless mic. Anyhow, how you're going to do this, it's Bluetooth connected, so you need both components here, and you're going to need to turn them both on at the same time. This might be a little difficult for me as I video, but you'll just hit on, and you'll see the blinking light, and then I'll quickly do this one on, and then the blinking light. And once they turn solid, you know that they've paired to each other. And then you're simply just going to put this one, as you can see, it has a ability to insert somewhere. You're gonna just find the dock for that, and it will be like where you would put your headphones. So we'll just do that here. Push that in, wonderful. And then here is your mic, so you can, you can clip this. I usually clip it on my collar, closer to my face, and then this has a clip where you can put it to your belt, and then I just put this cord behind me. And then you should be good to teach. Always check though that they can hear you. And then one more thing about Zoom, you'll hit the Zoom icon. It should already be signed up to me. And you'll probably come up to this. To find all the meetings, you'll just hit meetings. And I have tried to be better about labeling them. So if you know you're going to be teaching Wednesday hardcore, you can simply just click that and you should be good to start the class. All right, if you have any other questions, please feel free to ask. Okay, you are done teaching, and so now you need to put the wireless mic back on the charger. It will be a charger that has two components. It'll be connected here, and you'll just put them into the jack like so. Make sure that a red dot appears on both of those to ensure that you are charging, and then don't forget to plug the iPad up to the handy dandy Apple charger as well. Okay team, last little piece of this saga on the virtual technology, if you would. So I'm currently up in 201, 202 closet. If you're teaching from 201, your recorded classes, you will be using 202's technology boxes. So you will need to check out 202's keys so that you can get into specifically this box here. If you have 202 keys, you will still be able to use the stereo to unlock this major one for whatever reason you might need that, okay? But this is where you will find all the technology that you need to teach from 201 and 202's storage box. You will have cords here for the iPad, and then in the back, it has a short leash and it could fall out. You will see the two charging cables for that wireless headphone. Okay, if by chance it does fall out, just simply come over here and re-thread it through. It is on a very short leash, so be prepared to reach all the way in the back to find those, but it's important that you do actually ensure that you're charging the microphone in case an instructor would like to use it.